guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I'm looking a little weird at the moment because I haven't finished the rest of my makeup, because in this video we will be testing the new Rev Fast Base blushes. These are cream colors for your cheeks and for your lips, so we're going to use them. I'm looking pretty crazy with my eyes right now, but I am going to finish those up after. I have the shade Raspberry and I have the shade Blush. And then I also have this nice apricot shade in Bear. So let's give you some close-ups before we give you some swatches. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm hoping that is focusing for you. It's really nice with the gold writing, and then you open the lids. Oh, you twist them off. Don't pull them off, and then you've got all your blush right there. Now these do retail for £5, I believe, and the packaging is quite sturdy. So people are saying these are like dupes for how the elf ones look, but I feel like I've had the elf ones and they never felt as good of packaging as these ones do. So yeah, we've got 3 shades. I'm gonna test Blush and Bear, and then I'll leave Raspberry for like a future video. Ooh, maybe I could put Raspberry on my lips. Maybe we'll do that. So yeah, I will swatch them first all for you. Oh, they're nice and creamy. So that shade there is called Bear. I thought it'd be more of an apricot colour, but it is like more of a pinkier undertone. Then we have the shade Blush, which is a lovely blushy dark pink kind of colour. I love that colour. That is a really nice colour. Oh, and then that is Raspberry. That was so pigmented, I barely had to swipe on my hand. They all have a weird vanilla-y smell to them, I must admit. Don't know why. So let's try with Bear over here. These kind of blushes, when they're a stick, I never know how to apply them. So this is the dummy way of applying them. Well, I like that. It's a really nice shade. They're easy to work with and they're like blendable and buildable. So that shade there is Bear. I really like that shade. Now we're using the shade Blush. And from what I can tell, it's not moving any of my foundation underneath. I'm going to put a second layer on. So we got Bear and we got Blush. They look really nice. Now what I want to do is I want to put my powder on and see if they hold through my Super Matte translucent powder, which from Relove I've nearly finished. Yeah, look, they still hold through. And it's not making my skin go patchy or anything. It's like dried down the dewiness to it as well, but I like it. Now, as promised, we're going to use Raspberry on my lips, so let me just get a lip liner. So we're going to use Colourpop BFF4. I'm going to take a flat brush because I can't find my lip brush. Oh my god, I like that. I like that already. So far, first impressions of these blush sticks, I really love them. Like, I can still see a bit of the shininess through the powder, but they're lovely shades. They haven't moved my makeup and they work well on the lips as well. So they're definitely multi-purpose sticks. I believe they were £5, so very affordable. The packaging is so nice and sleek. I really love it. So I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my makeup and then I'll come back at the end with how they're looking like on the skin. But so far I'm pretty impressed with these. Well guys, I have the rest of my makeup on and I really do enjoy these blush sticks. I've got Bear here, Blush here. They're lovely shades. They've blended out perfectly. It's dried down matte on my lips, which looks nice. Like, it's blended into that brown lip liner really nicely. It's comfortable, even though it's dried down matte, it's movable. Like, I can do that and it's fine. I'm really impressed with these blush sticks. They are incredible. I love the colors of them. I love the gold on there. Like, everything about this blush stick is cute. I absolutely will recommend those blush sticks. If you like a cream blush, then yeah, these are the ones for you. I'm thinking there must be a better way to apply them on your cheeks, because like when you're hitting it on your cheek, it's not the nicest of feelings. So maybe like putting it onto a brush and then pulling it onto your cheeks and then blending it out. I don't know, I will test these out more and more, and as I use them I'll update you on how they work better for me. But right now I love them, even on my lips. Like, just blend that in a bit. I'll be reaching for raspberry again and again. Like, this is such a nice lip combo. I really do hope you like this short but sweet video, and if you did, please tell me your favorite color down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.